Assalamu alaikum girlies. So to start off, we went to a pre-Ramadan event with Najma Foods and Sosher Media, and honestly it was full of meaningful talk, which I love. So enjoy some content from the event. Oh yes, please.
Here you go, queen.
Thank you very much, sis. I think one thing I really enjoyed is the conversations about keeping it real on social media, that not every single iftar is a big spread, and sometimes iftars can be lonely. We've got Hadra here with an autumnal vibe going on. To match her outfit, is that a Vela? Sand dunes. Sand dunes. So we got Shakila here with a chicken little Valentine love heart.
Can you see the love heart shape now?
Yeah, I actually can. That's a cute love heart shape.
It's a bit, but you can't really make it perfect anyway.
No, she looks like a nice full heart. Big,
That's me.
big
my,
heart.
My heart is big and full.
That's why we ended it when we detect lies. Okay guys. No, Shireen just being there in the back.
Look at how you do it. That is so beautiful. Is that yours?
We've got Shakila here cutting my food for me. Oh my god, stop!
Momento. Oh wow. Wow.
Beautiful. 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 Assalamu alaikum everyone. I actually have no idea how my hijab looks. I was like, I should record this moment, and then I just found my hijab and popped it on my head, so I have no idea how it looks. But I thought I would document it because today is the first fast and we're coming to a close, like literally in 20 minutes. And alhamdulillah, I just feel so happy and grateful that I didn't find it tough, and I genuinely obviously think it's like the will of Allah that helps us get through this. Ah, what's that on my... Oh, it's fluff. I thought it was an ant. I've been to work today and everything, and everyone's always like, you know, not even water. And I'm like, no, not even water. And when you're explaining it, some people look at you like, why are you doing this to yourself? Like, you're literally suffering. And I'm like, I don't know how to explain it to you, but I'm not suffering at all. Like, I am so happy and content that Ramadan is here. Honestly, feel like there's nothing that connects you more to God than this month. And I don't know why, like I feel like I need to justify, like I am not suffering, like we are not suffering, we willingly choose to do this. But I feel like people look at you like, why would you do this to yourself? When you're walking around and you see people eating, it really puts in perspective that this stuff is so easily accessible to us, and we so nonchalantly eat without thanking, should I say, God. Thank you Allah for like providing me with food at such ease and accessibility. Like if I'm hungry, I will get up, go into the kitchen, open my drawer, grab a crisp packet. Do you know what I mean? Do it without thought because it's granted to us with such ease. Oh, I don't know why I'm gonna start crying. Oh my gosh, I just got really big chills and I feel like I'm about to cry. But I just feel like if we weren't lucky enough to be in this position, life would be so different. We were fasting every single day, like doing some kind of fast every single day. And I just always try to remember, oh, I'm gonna cry. Woo! I just always try to remember that I'm just so grateful. Oh my God, you need to pack it in. I just feel so grateful to be blessed with the life that I have. So blessed to have a roof over my head, and I feel blessed to, like, when I'm freezing cold, I can put the heaters on, and like there's just so many blessings in life and so many things that we take for granted that I just think this month like really puts everything in perspective and just makes you humble, like puts your feet on the ground again. Don't ever want to lose that feeling, and I want it to stick with me. I want it to linger in my heart for all of the months. That was quite deep, so let's go on a bit of a lighter note. So basically my husband finishes work at 6, which means I'm gonna have to open my rosa by myself, which is so sad. Which at the start I did feel a bit sad about, because I was like, oh, I would have just loved to have my kajur bunny with him. But basically my sister-in-law, she's such a cutie pie. She bought us a tin of dates. Basically says buying these dates gives food and aid to a family, 100% of profits to charity, dates of Somalia. She got it me, and she got me this specific one because she said she matched the tins to the people, and I'm just gonna say this is so cute and I feel so honored to have it. So I'm gonna have my kajur today by myself. Oh my goodness! I've never opened it, but oh my goodness! There's a Ramadan activity book. This is so cute. Oh, my husband! He's such a fatty. He's actually already opened it. I knew he was eating it this morning. But yeah, we've got some kajur there. So excited, so excited. I feel like I keep saying so excited, like I need to learn more. Yeah, super cute. And obviously I'm gonna keep this tin and maybe make it my spice tin, who knows, because I am the daughter of my mother. Like, what can I say? I'm just waiting now. Basically, I was gonna put the TV on and, you know, have the live forecast of everyone doing Umrah in Makkah, Medina and everything like that. So I'm probably just gonna pop that on and then break my fast and then wait for my husband. That's basically how my evening's gonna go. I was like to myself, ooh, I should record myself a bit more in Ramadan. But then when you're in Ramadan, and I don't know how people at Sahri time are like, do you know what I mean? My phone's in my bed. I'm in bed. Like literally this morning, my husband made my granola and yogurt and brought it up to bed for me because he was like, it's too cold for you to go downstairs. And I was like, he did that for me, and then he was like, do you want some water? Brought up like a jug of water. He's just such a cute pie. I feel so blessed for him as well. We were both so energized this morning. I don't know what it was. We were both like, yeah. And then I literally had a shower at like 5 o'clock in the morning, went back to bed, got up in the morning for like 7:30, got ready for work. I don't know how long that's gonna last, but it was good. It felt nice. It felt lovely jubbly, alhamdulillah. If I do record anything, I will add it into here, but I'm not promising anything. I'm not promising anything. But I love you guys. I hope everyone's having a nice start to their Ramadan. Let me know what you ate for Sahri and Iftar in the comments below.
لأجاريهم قلدت ظاهر ما فيهم فبدوت شخصا آخر كي أتفاخر وظننت أنا أني بذلك حزت غنى فوجدت أني خاسر فتلك مظاهر لا نحتاج المال كي نزداد جمالا جوهرنا هنا في القلب تلالا لا نرضي الناس بما لا نرضاه لنا حالا ذاك جمالنا يسمو يتعالى أتقبلهم الناس لست أقلد.
Hello everyone. I actually have no idea if you can see me because I am filming on my iPhone because I forgot to charge my DG app. But basically, there's about 30 minutes till Rosa opens and I'm gonna make some kind of rendition of marry me pasta chickeny thing. My chicken is lovely jubbly defrosted. Got my chicken here, and the thing is, the reason I'm gonna make this version is because I actually want to eat this chicken as it is. So it's black garlic and pepper chicken, so I don't want to mix this too much into the sauce of the pasta, which I would have normally done. I probably would have just got normal boneless chicken, cut it up, and then when I'm making my pasta, whack it in. Simples. But this flavour is so yum that I'm gonna make the pasta separate and do like a little, I don't know, tagliatelle type pasta, and then I'm gonna cook that, and then I'm just gonna basically, once they both dishes are done, I'm just gonna sprinkle that on top of the pasta and then have it like that. So it will still get covered in the pasta sauce, but it wouldn't be like drenched in it. So I say all this, let's see if I can execute it. I'm not much of a taster of my own food anyway. Like while I'm cooking, I don't know what's wrong with me. I just don't have this thing to like taste the food. It like puts me off. I'm like scared I'm gonna get like food poisoning, or I just can't do it. I mean, I've been trying to get myself to do it. It's just not really working. So the fact that I can't taste my food whilst making it is fine by me. I know some people say that you're allowed to, like, if you're the only one in the house. You can have a quick taste to see if the food you're cooking for your family is fine. I probably won't have that issue. So I'm going to try and make this dish really and see how it turns out. I'm not going to talk whilst making it with you guys. I'm just going to have to do a cheeky little montage because honestly, I gotta focus. So first things first, let's cut the onion. Say Bismillah.
سبحان الله مولانا بديع الكون سوانا علي القدر نعبده ستير الخلق سبحانه حميد الرب نحمده بسر الحمد لله عظيم الجاه نشهده بأن الكل لله سبحان الله والحمد لله لا إله إلا الله والله أكبر سبحان الله والحمد لله لا إله إلا الله والله أكبر.
Good morning. You're probably thinking, what has she got on her face? These are PDRN eye masks from PureSeoul. They sent them to me for Ramadan and I've been absolutely bashing them out, like literally bashing them out. They're so nice. I'm going to put some on my husband in like 2 minutes as well. But they just make me feel so nice and refreshed. I use the Sissiplast toner things as well. So I got these PDRN retinol eye patches from Abib. So this is what's currently on my face, but they have dried out loads. I've been literally had them on for an hour, I think, which I don't know if you're actually allowed to do. But I had them for an hour because I was on FaceTime to my mum, so I just kind of left them on and now they literally stuck to my face. And then I also used this Dunelm Sticker Spot Pad Calming Repair. And I used 3 of these, one here, one here, one here, and they literally dried out as well. But they've made my face feel really nice and refreshed, and I'm ready to just put some moisturizer on and call it a day. So it comes with this little spatula and then you've got loads of eye patches in here, like literally so much. This and these pads, there's actually loads of them, so many. So I'm gonna put some on my husband. Today's agenda is going to my mother's house for the first iftar for my mommy. I do want to see if we can quickly fit in a Dunelm trip because I want to try seeing if I can buy the frames for my prints that I'm going to put in my house, and then next week I can just like kind of put them up. At least I've got them. I see some really cute ones in Tesco actually of this burgundy like bubble one, and I thought that's really cute to hang up or even just put on like what I'm thinking for the side, the other side of my wall, which is like shelves. I thought that would be really cute, so thinking of doing that. I don't know if we'll have time because I'm gonna meet my brother at my mum's house as well, and he's bringing the boys. I basically want to get there before they get there so I can spend as much time with the boys as I can. And then I think shawarma is on the menu tonight. Mum's making shawarma, so that's really fun. She's bought like the pita bread and the naans and stuff, and it just sounds, my mum makes that viral homemade doner, and honestly it is so good. It is so good. Oh wow, really nice outfit. Really nice outfit. I like. Are you ready? Yeah. Oh, they're so slimy.
It's not a skincare queen.
Oi!
Jokes. I've got 2. Should I put 2 on?
Yeah. Can you pass me the lead as well, please?
How long are you supposed to leave these on for? Because they're actually all stinging and not lying.
They're actually stinging you? No way. Mine have been on for an hour.
But they never stung you one bit?
Nope.
I think I'm sensitive to retinol and retinol though.
I did edit the YouTube video and it's actually ready to go, but I'm just like, it might be too short, like 19 minutes. So I'm thinking if I put in half of today, or maybe even whatever I get of today, it might make it longer. But then it means that I'm going to upload a later YouTube video. Let's take these eye patches off actually. I could have spoken about all of that whilst taking these eye patches off. They literally dried out. They're so slimy. I'm just gonna go in with my oily skin food because my face has been so dry lately. Obviously winter time's not the best for my skin. As a dry girly, it just gets extra dry. And I'm waiting for a PR package from In Beauty. Asked me if I wanted a top up on my moisturizer, which I did. But I've not got that yet. Thank God this is not the hijab that I'm wearing today. I'm just so excited to see my nephews. I just love them so much. Like literally I could spend like the whole week with them And as soon as I'm home and I'm in bed, I'm like, oh God, miss them, FaceTime them. And my brother's like, you literally just left. And I'm like, I know, but I just miss them so much. I just love them so much. I'm gonna go change my hijab and I'll be back. Hijab is on. I love this hijab. Literally, I love that it's got like this nice little line, and it's in the mini version. It's from Hoa, and you can actually get a cheeky discount on these if you use the code It's Rimshah. I think it gives you around 15% off, 10 to 15% off, I'm not sure, but all my jersey hijabs are literally from Hoa. Before they started doing the mini version, I used to get the standard, but the mini version jersey has actually changed my life because there's no extra bunching here, and it just sits and fits really well. Like, you know, with jersey when you just got loads of fabric, none of that. They just fit your face so nice and so. I'm off to Dunelm now. Put you guys in if you can. Sun is sunning right now, even though it's very chilly outside. So obviously I've got to get me Saint Laurent sunglasses out. I actually love these sunnies. They're my favorite, and they're prescription, which is the best. I got these from Boots, and honestly, Boots customer service is just unmatched. Like, what do you mean? These bad boys right here. These bad boys are my prescription sunglasses. I've never had prescription sunglasses before. Oh my God, I love them so much. Always wanted prescription sunglasses just because I feel like it's literally 2-in-1. And I was like, if I'm gonna get some bad bee sunglasses and they're gonna be my literally go-to sunglasses, I want them to be gorgy porgy. Like, I put this on with my burkini when I was on holiday. I can wear these in England and they just give 10/10 vibes every single time. So yeah, these are on. My husband's gonna be like, ooh la la. We're gonna inshallah probably go Dunelm. I don't know yet. I think we are gonna go Dunelm. I'm literally so glowy and dewy. I just realized I probably look so silly to some people right now, but I really like these sunglasses. I think they're very cutesy. When I get sunglasses, I just kind of want them to cover my whole face. Like, it's a no makeup sunglasses kind of case. I really wanted those Miu Miu ones, but I think I'm going to get those without prescription because they're not really going to cover a lot of my eye, whereas they're nice and big, so my eyesight is covered. I don't know if that makes sense, but anyways, let's go to Dunelm. Is it?
Talk to me, Muhammad. Because of you, I now have peace, and you have eased my troubled mind. Oh, talk to me, Muhammad.
You know, an example, subhanallah.